How to change font size and style on Samsung. If you want to customize your Samsung device's font size or style, here's a simple guide to help you. Follow my steps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Display. Next, find and select the font size and style option. Let's start by changing the font style. Click on Font Style and choose the one you like. The style will be applied immediately, so you can see how it looks on your phone. If you want to bold the text, turn on Bold Font by toggling the button next to it. Now, it's time to adjust the font size. To adjust the font size, drag the slider left or right until you reach your desired size. And that's it! Now you've successfully customized the font size and style on your Samsung device. I'll now exit to see how the selected style and font look on my screen. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.